Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to save a sender address and utilize the ship screen in 2Ship. On the left side of the shipping screen, you'll see a sender column. Next to sender, you'll find a field called Sender ID. Remember, the sender ID is linked to the carriers. This is how you get your rates. Don't delete the sender ID when you're creating a shipment. The sender information fills in automatically from the shipping location you added during your 2Ship account setup. You can edit this field and update the sender information if needed. Just keep in mind, telephone numbers are required. You won't be able to ship without one. If your shipment is going to a residential address, turn on the Residential button at the bottom of the sender field. If you update the sender address and want to save these changes to your address book, select Save Update and Address. After you ship the order, your edited sender address will be saved in your address book. Next time you ship, you'll see the saved address load here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@2ship.com.